Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. I got this Fiat here. We're working on, actually another workshop worked on it, and when the customer gave me the gasket, so I got the gasket in, so it's a perfect gasket here. Fits perfectly on this model, nice and easy. But I think we're gonna try to use this heat shield here at the same time using the modified turbo. Okay, so that's good. We got the extra, that's all sorted now, that's all got welded there, so now it's perfect. So next thing we done is actually we went to install the bottom bolts. I'll show you what I mean. The bottom bolts here inside there, we went to install that one to torque it up to, usually we torque it up banjo bolt to about 18 Newton meters, and then we'll go from there to see if it torques up. It just, the bolt kept spinning, it doesn't even torque up, and that's why it was already leaking. That's why the whole thing was leaking before. That's not even tight enough. Okay, at the same time we had a look inside there. I didn't know until now. We're looking inside the actual, inside there's a bolt and two nuts inside there from before. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to take this pipe off so I can actually repair that strip bolt there inside here without taking anything off. Luckily I got room here, so we're going to go underneath, and I'll show you another thing we saw when we go to take that pipe off. Let's have a look. So there's the pipe, there's that big pipe I'm talking about there, that one there. So we're going to take that one off here, so we can take it off so I can see if I can repair that. And then when I went and look at the bolt, that bottom bolt's already damaged. Look at that. So that's already damaged. That was damaged. I don't even know what else is damaged. So that's why it's not good to actually, it's hard to work when someone's already done some work on the car. So now we're gonna try to take that off tomorrow and see what we can do. I know the customer wants their car, but the hardest thing is I'm stuck with a car that someone's already done that to it, and they didn't even care to fix it properly. Even this part, it was already cracked here. Man, lucky we got a new gasket. Customer gave me that one, so, and a new hose inside there. Alright, so that's where we're at now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.